Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. With everything that's been going on with a virus lately, I wanted to start carrying some PPE or some personal protective equipment along with me pretty much all the time. The main reason for that is if I'm not sick myself, it'll probably fall to me to take friends and family either to the doctor or the hospital if somebody does get sick. And I want to have this stuff close at hand so I can grab it and have it with me if I have to do that. I make what's called a mini get home bag. They're just real small pouches with some essentials in that I make and I carry with me. And I actually did a video on that about a year ago, and I'll put a link in the description for that video if you guys want to see what that is. But I've adapted that concept to this pouch right here that I'm going to start using. And what it is it's just a small canvas zippered bag. I have several of these that I use for a bunch of different reasons, but this is what I decided I was going to start carrying my stuff in. And all I have on the outside here is I have a pair of gloves rubber banded on the outside. I'm going to unzip this here and show you what I got in here. I got some clear safety glasses in here. These aren't the best. Goggles would be better, but this is all that I have at the present time. So I wanted to have something in there to cover my eyes in case somebody's coughing or sneezing. So I at least have that. I got some spare gloves here in another bag. I have some soap. I have some hand sanitizer. I have some extra Ziploc bags in case I have to dispose of gloves or something that I think's maybe been contaminated. I can put those in these bags, and at least they're not in contact with anything else, because of course I don't want to infect anybody else if all possible if I'm exposed to something. And then I have some masks, and that's basically all that I have in this pouch. Like I said, one of the reasons that I want to have my own stuff with me is I've been reading stories about masks and hand sanitizer and stuff being stolen out of hospitals, and that's kind of the place where people need it most. So I don't want to take for granted that that stuff would be available to me if I have to take somebody to the emergency room. So I decided I'm just going to start carrying some of my own stuff so I know that I have something if worse comes to worse. But I thought maybe somebody could get a little information or some ideas out of this here, so I just wanted to share it real quick with you guys. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I hope you guys are getting a little information and a little entertainment out of my videos. I appreciate all my subscribers out there, and I hope you guys have a good, safe night.